Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to use the EverTough ball joint and U-joint press. Part number is 67045. You can use this tool to remove and replace pressed-in ball joints on most vehicles. The press assembly can also help you press U-joints to remove and install their bearing caps. The ball joint and U-joint press is one of over 80 tools we have available in our Loaner Tool program. The Loaner Tool program can help save you money on your repairs. Just pay a deposit equal to the cost of the tool, and we'll return your full deposit when you return the tool to the store. So let's get started. As a reminder, always wear eye protection and gloves when you use this tool. Once you've got your supplies together and you're ready to press the ball joint, here's what you'll do. Check the ball joint to see if it has small spot weld to the control arm. If it does, the weld must be ground off. Select a receiving tube with a diameter larger than the diameter of the ball joint housing, but small enough to fit snugly over the control arm or knuckle. Fit the removing adapter to the receiving tube. Make sure the pressure screw is well lubricated and assemble the press. Align the press and use a 7/8 inch or 22 millimeter socket and ratchet to turn the pressure screw in until the ball joint comes out of the control arm. Before installing a new ball joint, make sure the ball joint opening is clean and well lubricated so the new ball joint will seat properly in the control arm or knuckle. If your new ball joint has a grease fitting, make sure it is turned in a direction that will make it accessible once the ball joint is installed. Hand start the new ball joint in the control arm using the receiving tube and installer. Position the ball joint press assembly so that the screw presses the ball joint into the control arm in the proper alignment. Use your 7/8 inch or 22 millimeter socket and ratchet to press it into place. Make sure the ball joint is pressing into the control arm or knuckle straight and that it drives in completely before disassembling the ball joint press. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to see all our new content. If you have any other questions about our Loaner Tool program, stop by a store. One of our parts professionals would be glad to help. You'll find everything that you need for your next project at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. We'll see you again soon.